There are a lot of websites that you can use to store your files, but most of them are not secure, and sadly they do not even have encryption capabilities. As a result, your files remain super unsecure. But there is no need to worry. Today I have brought to you just the right tool that can provide you the most secure storage solution. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review TransferChain. So TransferChain provides a very secure storage, and once you upload a file on this storage, that file is going to go through end-to-end encryption, and all of the metadata of your files go to blockchain. So this way TransferChain makes sure that all of the files that you upload are being super secured. And the great news is TransferChain is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at AppSumo you are getting the lifetime deal of TransferChain at only $39. And as you can see, TransferChain is an alternative to Box, Dropbox and Google Drive. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. So you can invite your clients, guests or team members to your account on TransferChain. You can make file requests. You will get access to distributed cloud. There are redundant storage. There are also a lot of other features such as continuous patching. You can sync across various devices and so on. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo, and almost all of the tiers offer the same features. Only difference is on the storage that you get and the single file upload limit. So the tier 1 costs $39. Here you get 300 GB of storage. If you want more, opt for the tier 2 that gives you 1 TB of storage, or you can even opt for the highest tier, which is license tier 4, and it has a massive storage of 3 TB, and here the single file upload limit is 5 GB. So if you want to buy any of these tiers of TransferChain from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into TransferChain, you will have to go through some steps to make sure your account is secure. For example, you are going to get some things that are needed to recover your account. So make sure you keep those in a safe place. And this is the dashboard of TransferChain. So currently we are in this drive section, and to start using blockchain, you first have to create your own drive. So for that, click on new. Now click on create space. Now let's give this space a name and description. I'm going to leave this description empty as it is optional, and then click on next. And obviously this is a drive that I'm creating, so I can add some people. For example, it could be clients or it could be team members, so I can add them. If I click on add people, all I have to do is select the contact, and I'm going to show you in a bit how to add contacts. Now let's go back, and obviously I'm the owner of this space, so click on create. Okay, so the space or the drive has been created. As you can see, here is the drive. So if you come to this all section or this created by me, on here you are going to get the space that you created. And if someone shares any space or any drive with you, you are going to get that on this shared with me section. So let's go here and let's go to the drive. For that, click on these 3 dots and then click on open. So as you can see, it is now empty. And if I click on these 3 dots, I can view details about this drive. I can also download this drive as a whole. All of the files that are on this drive, I can also delete this drive. Now let's try to create a folder. So click on this new button and then click on create folder. You can also upload folder, or you can simply start uploading files. So let's first create a folder. After naming the folder, click on create. As you can see, now the folder is here. So I can select this folder or open this folder. Let's open this one. And as you can see, there is currently nothing on this folder. So what about I upload some files? For that, once again, you have to click on this new, and then you have to click on upload file. Okay, as you can see on the right side, now I am uploading some files. So this is pretty good. You can see the upload progress bar, and you can even cancel all or cancel a single file if you do not want to upload that. So this way you can upload files, or you can also create folder. You can even upload a whole folder to save yourself from hassles, and you can obviously upload single files. And now there are some other features regarding the storage and sending files. So let me show you this transfer feature. So on this transfer section, you can send files to your clients or your team members. And for that, all you have to do is click on this new transfer. And then first you have to choose your file. So click on this. As you can see, I have chosen a file. You can also click on add files to add more files. And then all you have to do is give the name of the recipient, which means where you are sending your files. So you have to type the name, and before you type the name or ID, you have to make sure that the particular person that you are sending your files to is on your contact, which means on this contact section. I'm going to get to that in a bit. And then you can also add email address if you want. So all you have to do is type the email address, and a great feature is there is a password, as you can see. So this password will allow the email recipient to securely access the file, which is amazing. You can also add an optional message, and you can even set the expiry date for your file, which means after certain days the file is going to disappear. Amazingly secure, I have to say that. And there is another very secure way to share files or get files from your clients or your team members. So if you click on this file request, using this feature you can make a new file request. So let me show you that. If you click on this, you're going to get this page. So on here you have to provide a title, the folder name for your file, and then you have to describe your request in more details. So let's fill these boxes. So once you fill these boxes, you can also turn on the expiry date, which means after this period of time, the request is going to disappear. For example, let's select 3 days and click on create request. So after you click on create request, you will get a page like this, a link like this one, and all you have to do is copy this link, and then all you have to do is send this link to the person who is supposed to send you the file using this file request. So once that person opens this link, this particular link, he is going to get a page like this one, and on this upload section he or she has to upload the file. And the best part is that particular person does not have to sign up or sign in to upload the file. And once that person upload the files, you are going to get that. And where you are going to get the file, you are going to get that on TransferChain, but the notification is going to be here. So on this section, you are going to get notified that the file that you requested, that is now available. Now let's talk about this contact section. So this contact section is very crucial because on here you have to add contacts, and once you add contacts, you can then start transferring files securely. To add a contact, click on new contact. So you have to provide the name, and you will also have to add the ID, and then click on save. So as you can see, the contact is now saved. You can also add personal contacts as well as business contacts. And now if I go back to the cloud storage, and on this transfer section, if I click on this new transfer, so let's choose a file. So after choosing the file, now let's try the recipient. So let's see if we can find the recipient that we just added. After uploading the file, you have to type the recipient name, or you can simply click on this contact. And then from here, you can simply select the contact, click on select, and now the contact has been added. So now you can simply send the file to the contact securely. And there's also another amazing feature, which is messaging or chatting. So if I go to this section, now from here I can create a new chat. So the first thing I have to do is add contacts. So let's add this one. So as you can see, this contact is now added, and here is the message section. So let's send a message, and I can also send files or add emojis. So let's send this message, and as you can see, the message is now sent. And the best part is this messaging section, this messaging feature is also protected by TransferChain. The end-to-end encryption also applies for this messaging, which means when you are talking to your clients or any of your contacts, you will know that you are always safe. There is no way that your messages or the things that you talk about are going to get exposed thanks to the end-to-end encryption. Overall, I think TransferChain is an excellent tool. It gives you a very secure cloud storage, and it is powered by blockchain, which is amazing. Other than being a storage, it gives you a section where you can chat with other team members or your clients or any person from your contact. So overall, I think TransferChain is definitely worth your buy. And if you want to buy it from AppSumo on a lifetime deal, you can check the link in the description below. With this lifetime deal, you are going to get all of these features, as you can see. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. If you're not in need of massive storage, you can opt for the tier 1, which has a space of 300 GB. But if you need more, you can opt for license tier 2 with 1 TB of storage, or license tier 4 with 3 TB of storage. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.